Hi guys, it's your girl Justina, aka Egyptian Goddess 31, and I'm back today with another video. Before I get started, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below and let me know what you think of my channel so far. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you don't already. It is ytina98. Now, let's go ahead and get started on today's topic. If you haven't checked out my last video, which I spoke about the law of attraction and how you can use the law of attraction in your favor, this is kind of like a follow up on that video. So, I am probably gonna keep it short and sweet, but I definitely wanted to talk about this with you guys. I wanted to talk about vision boards. Vision boards have a relationship with the law of attraction because what a vision board really is a board that you make to put your goals and manifestations on as close as possible. So what it means for me is I used to go to Barnes and Noble and I would just scroll through magazines and find pictures that could possibly relate to me or what I'm looking to have in my future or my manifestations. And I used to just buy those magazines, cut out the pictures, and put it on the board because to me, it just makes it so much easier to visualize what you're thinking about and what you want to manifest into your life when you have like something to look at. So that's what a vision board means to me. Now you don't have to go to Barnes and Noble and get magazines and cut out pictures from them to have a vision board, but you can absolutely print a picture from the internet if you have a printer. First of all, it's probably going to be like the cheapest way. Just go on Google, find things that you can possibly relate to or that you want to see come into your reality in your life, and just print them out and put them on the board like this. So obviously those are some of my dreams and goals, and I just got this from Amazon. It makes it so much easier. All I had to do was just print out the pictures, or actually cut out the pictures and put them on here, and I just hang it up somewhere in my room where I can look at it every morning. It definitely helps me manifest my dreams. I usually like to do my vision board at the beginning of every year. So sometimes I update it, sometimes I don't, if I still want to manifest something that hasn't manifested for me yet. So I can continue on keeping the vision board as is, or every year I will find new pictures so I can put them on there as well. And I actually found this cool book as well. It's called Vision Board Book on Amazon, where it really just have different things that you can cut out on there if you're looking for health goals, travels, you name it. I found it very helpful, and it definitely saved me some money because it had a lot of different things that I can cut up. But it really was just making it made it easier for me this year to just have one book that has everything instead of just going to Barnes and Noble and to look for different magazines and take a long time to look through them to find something that I can possibly relate to. So I definitely suggest to get that book. Vision boards really make it easier for you to manifest your dreams and goals. Honestly, it's so exciting to have pictures up in your room where you actually wake up every morning and look at and say, you know what, this is the life I'm manifesting, this is what I want, this is what I want to do. And also so cool when you finally manifest, or you had something on your vision board and you start experiencing it and it starts manifesting into your life. It's such a great feeling to just see what you could, a picture of what you could have possibly put on there, come into your life and come into your reality. You're like, man, I just want to be doing this all the time. So this is really why I also do this every year. I started doing this after learning about the law of attraction from The Secret, and like I said, if you haven't checked out my last video, make sure that you do. But on there, I spoke about the check that you can print out from The Secret, and you can look at it every morning just so you can manifest a certain amount of money into your life. And from there, I came across vision boards, and it just opened the door for me where, okay, I don't have to just manifest money. I can be manifesting my fitness goals, my affirmations, things that I want to think about throughout the day. It's easier when you come home and you look at something, you're like, you start putting your mind into it and you start having these thoughts and you focus on it, and it kind of rewires your mind and your brain to focus on whatever you're manifesting. And having obviously the pictures to look at too, it makes you want to experience those things. So this is why I love vision boards. It's definitely a big way and a big manifestation tool for me. If you're not looking for something, or you're not looking to spend money on, really just get a cardboard, just something small. Maybe you can just even put the pictures on your wall with those little pins. Just make holes in there and just put them. You can write affirmations as well if you're looking to focus on something specific. Honestly, it all comes down to on how much work you're willing to put in to see your manifestations and goals and dreams come into your reality. So yeah, I do vision boards, and sometimes it could be taking too much time to find what I'm looking for, but at the end of the day, I've seen my goals and dreams happen for me, and it was some things that I've put on the board, and now I'm seeing it happen into my life, and it's exciting. So why am I not gonna continue on doing this? I'm gonna give the time as well for my manifestations. I'm gonna put in the work. I'm gonna show the universe that I truly want this life and I truly want these dreams and goals to come in my reality, and I'm gonna focus on them so I can manifest them and experience all the things that I want to experience, and experience all the success that I'm manifesting for myself. I just wanted to hop on here and talk about vision boards. Do it. Don't even have to wait till the new year begins. Do it now if you've never done a vision board before. If you have, let me know in the comments if you have actually experienced any of the things that you put on there, and if you've seen your manifestation come into life like it has happened for me. Once again, guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, love and peace, y'all.